What's up, guys? It's another day, it's another vlog. Welcome. Jaelyn is not with me right now. She's still at work, but she's gonna be home soon. Just a quick update. We're going to St. Louis tomorrow. We haven't been there. This is our first time going there, me and Jaelyn. We really don't know what to expect aside from the cold weather, but we can't wait to see it, man. Sorry we haven't been uploading vlogs lately again because we've been busy, but right now we have a lot of free time, so we could do it. And then we haven't even packed our stuff yet, and tomorrow's our flight already. I haven't packed, Jaelyn hasn't packed, so let's do that right now. Let's go. Just got done packing. I'll tell you, it's a lot, especially when you go to places like that. I don't know if it snows in St. Louis. I've never been there, but I checked the weather last week. They were peaking at 30 to 40 degrees, which is really cold. So and then when you go to places like that, you got to pack your coats, your warmers, and then they weigh too much. Not too much, but they can have some weight in them, so packing different coats would already take up your baggage allowance. So yeah, it's tough. It's kind of stressful because you don't want to go over the limit of the pounds, because that's like what, $150 already. So yeah, so let's just wait for Jaelyn to come home, and then we'll see what she packs.
What's up, guys? It is Jaelyn. How are you guys? I just got off work. It is currently 7:24 p.m. I got to work at 7:30. So I'm very tired. I have a lot to do. I'm very behind with packing. I feel like I gotta go to the store still. So I have a lot to do. But we're about to pack. This is my suitcase. It's empty. Great. But yeah, I am excited about this trip. I've never been to Missouri nor Tennessee, so I'm excited to see what they have to offer. You can't just say stagnant. You can't just live in California. You gotta migrate. You gotta see what's out there. So I'm excited. And I have to wrap gifts tonight, so yeah, it's gonna be a busy night, but we'll see.
A few moments later.
Can we take this to the next level? 'Cause I just wanna be with you. It's something I never thought I could have before.
Okay guys, so we just
Get on top.
got in the airport. We just got through TSA. I'm telling you, it's busy right now because, you know, it's the holidays. But,
It took like an hour to get checked in,
yeah.
but we're about to head to our first layover, which is Vegas.
We have a layover in Vegas. 45 minutes. Yeah, so,
No, it's an hour.
so we'll catch you guys in St. Louis. Let's go.